In this question, they are saying a motor starting from rest. So here we have a motor and it is starting from rest. That means initial velocity is nothing but the zero in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. So that's the acceleration for a time period of how much? 8 seconds. So yes, they are asking how far does the boat travel during this time. That is basically they are asking the displacement. So how to solve these kinds of sum? Yes, steps to almost similar. The very first thing we are supposed to write the given. What are the given terms? Initial velocity is nothing but 0 meter per second. As it was mentioned, like it start from rest. So rest means initial velocity is nothing but 0. Acceleration कितना है? It is 3 meter per second square. Time period is something 8 second, right? They are asking the displacement. So which formula will work? I think second one, right? Second equation of motion. We can say that S is equal to ut plus half at square, right? What about ut? Ut initial velocity 0 आप time से multiply करोगे it will turn out as what? 0 only. So I can take this as half at square, right? ये eliminate हो गया because of 0. What next? Put the value half as it is. Acceleration is nothing but 3. What about time period? It would be nothing but 8 square. Simplify this term. Half into 3 into 8 square is nothing but 64. 2 ones are, and this would be nothing but how much? 32s are. Now simply multiply this. 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So what I come to know from this, it would be displaced of like 96 meter, right? So displacement would be nothing but it is 96 meter. So I hope the solution is clear to you all. If you guys have any doubt, so yeah, basically you can post it in the comment section. So you can highlight your answer and basically you can mention in the word form also that the displacement, the motor boat travels the distance of what? 96 meter in a time frame of what? 8 seconds. I hope you like the solution. Thank you.